How to find draft post on Facebook. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Facebook. Let's starting by creating a draft. Click on what's on your mind and then type in something. And when you try to go back, you'll find these options. In here, click on Save as Drafts. After you have done that, you can simply go back from Facebook. And when you reopen Facebook, click on your profile beside what's on your mind. Then scroll down in your profile and click on what's on your mind. After you click on it, it will open the same draft you saved earlier. This is how to find draft post on Facebook. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or